the best is one here.
Yeah, it's white.
Yeah, usually she parts of it.
Yeah, that's what I said. What?
I don't know if it's well, this I just set it up.
Are the windows open or closed?
It's not cold.
What about in the back?
Do we submit that in the presentation one?
The chemistry?
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know if they are.
That only makes sense for me because your presentation and your feedback should all be in the same place as far as the teachers concerned.
Did she say?
You should know, right?
We go give her mine.
The brand new, okay, let's look at more research. 2015.
I mean, that's what I wrote. We can write more, but that's all I got.
Who? Oh.
Who drives the red F-150? That would have come in from the north. No, a newer one. It looks just like my old three.
Yeah, from like the river.
Yeah.
That's everyone's new one.
Yep.
That's who I followed in school today.
She crazy driver?
A little bit.
Yeah.
Gabby, you're gonna have like redo it? Not her, but someone else.
The kindergarten class would like to wish the Storm Wrestling team lots of success and inspire you with the following words, from Dr. Seuss. And will you succeed? Yes, you will indeed. 98.75% guaranteed. You're off to great places. Today is your day. Your mountain is waiting, so get on your way.
And she's like, no, seriously. And then at the end, they're like, blonde. I was like, what's happening? And she's like, what? It scared me, man. We're waiting for the pink. I was like, no.
You have experiments to do today, right?
Yeah, but there's so much that I do in my hair.
Where are you doing these experiments?
Around classroom.
Who was your like, yeah.
Well, getting right down to the course.
I just have her to dark brown.
I didn't know.
Mine was 40, so yeah.
Oh, this
So does this have to be done today, or did you want the point of done today? Because I was really confused on that last period.
I want these done pretty soon.
Yeah.
This isn't rocket science. It's not all that hard.
Does this sound good?
But if you're working on something and it's semi-complicated and you can't get it done today for some reason, we could talk.
What do you want us to do for running then?
I don't know. Yeah.
Do you just want to?
Okay, so.
I don't have a problem with it.
Is it okay? So does the object we have to like use like being here?
No.
Yeah.
I completely expected people to go to the gym, get a softball,
Should we
get
go
a
get one?
volleyball, get a basketball.
Can we go get one?
Are you going to throw it down there? You can throw it up here.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
Let's get like a football.
Well, hey, wait a minute. Maybe we can be smart about this and ask if anybody else needs a ball
No,
from
they
now.
can get their own.
They might want
God
different
has
names.
legs for a reason.
I see how it is.
That's what my dad told me.
Okay. I tried to get this from out. They aren't going to help. do a brainstorm last time? What comes after brainstorm?
Experiment.
Design.
Well,
You can't do an experiment until you write the experiment. You have to have a plan. You have to design.
Good for you. We are turning, so turn around.
I guess she told you.
no, that's a joke towards Hannah. She's my sister.
I know.
I'm gonna put all.
What is the distance one on the other?
Yeah, because of the people.
What is distance equals something?
Dirt.
Yeah.
Rate times time.
What is our rate?
Yeah, we passed
VRT.
it.
Rate. Rate of travel. Speed. Velocity.
You know what time I woke up? Yeah.
How fast you was going.
I woke up at like 6.
So did I.
I just go to the physics classroom page and it has lots of stuff on it.
Yes,
You
it does.
too.
It has lots of stuff. You should maybe learn how to do searches that are more specific. Like have this word and then a plus sign and this word. No spaces. What exactly are you looking for?
It's like formulas that we could use, but like, you can't find everything in these formulas.
Yeah, okay, this is what I do.
You gotta find this other one first to find that. And you
Yes,
get
you do.
all of it.
And that's why you had videotape. So that you can find the time. And if you know the time that it takes to go from here to here, and you know the distance traveled, then you know how fast it was going. Except,
You don't have the speed, though. You don't have speed.
I need both of you, this way. If it went here, and it landed there, how far did it go? Did it go this far?
We can ask about the stairs.
No, because if
No,
it
it went
pops
this
over.
far, this is gonna be farther, right?
Yeah.
So you need to figure out how far
Where's
it
we gonna
traveled,
drop that?
based
Drop
upon the
like
angle
drop
it
or
was launched at, and the
Roll.
horizontal distance.
I
You
say we
can
just
find the actual.
roll this
distance
one,
traveled.
drop this one.
I have the height extended.
You can also find the max height based on the trajectory. If you know, those are all in projectile motion, those are all in non-horizontal projectile motion.
So basically you're verifying everything.
We're back.
As big as this thing.
I know, it's huge.
I'll say this. Hey, Mr. Schneider.
Tiffany, is that a squishy ball? It's not a real softball, right?
Angle is the vertical.
It
Speed.
looks like it's full of like foam beads or something.
Distance is time.
Is there a height we have to drop these from? Like the drop? Okay, no.
So I'm just
Okay, so
gonna drop
Whoa, whoa, whoa. What comes after brainstorm?
Wait, what are we doing?
I don't remember. What comes after
No,
brainstorm?
what are we doing?
Design.
So yeah, we'll design.
Your requirements were you had to do something that is horizontal and something that's not. And you had to calculate it out, and you also had to go do the measurements to see if it matches the calculation.
So like horizontal, like I can roll this? Does that count?
No, it has to be horizontal flight, right?
So like throwing it at the wall.
Like this, pretty
You
much.
need a horizontal projectile and a non-horizontal.
Like that?
And then like one like that.
So I can go like this.
Is it going horizontal when it comes off the table?
Yes?
As long as it's not bouncing, it is.
Yeah. So we're gonna
I think this is gonna.
Hey,
three.
yes, that's annoying.
Three.
After 2 times, it's annoying.
Wow.
1 time, it's irritating. 2 times, it's annoying.
3 times to get
You did.
We're gonna
No, 3 times, we have to do something
we're gonna roll
different.
this off like at this height, and then we're gonna drop this
My height.
at the height of the ball,
Okay.
or do you want to just like my chin or my nose?
Can you drop Landon?
What?
Can you drop?
No, but we can drop Bree.
Is it a
Landon can
projectile if it's dropped?
pick Bree up and drop her. No?
Hey,
It's not a projectile.
did you know your girlfriend's in Gregory?
You have to
Yeah,
fling.
doctor.
Doctor.
Broke her hand or something.
No, she didn't. She just said that there's no breaks.
Nah.
They
She's
took
like,
an
I broke
X-ray.
my
Landon,
hand.
you
up.
She
should
landed.
make so she doesn't have to hit you and break her hand.
I was like,
No, she landed on it wrong in basketball last night, and she thought it was
I was
broken.
like, it's not broke. You
Not
pussy.
cool.
So
Still
she
being
went
a
and got
loser,
an
you
X-ray
can't.
today. If she's well enough to go to day spring before she goes to get an X-ray, I think she's fine.
Yeah. Slacker.
I think she just won't.
Did she
Okay.
drive up by herself?
I don't know.
How come she goes to doctors in Gregory?
I don't know. That's where they go. We go to Michael's van.
Launch a projectile
So,
horizontally.
so we
Launch a
like,
projectile not
we measure and that's what it is.
video this process.
We're going to take measurements.
Do the calculation.
Okay, so I'm gonna have to record this.
This is not right, like, you can't, I can't.
Start with the roll it.
0.94 meters. and
That one you
it's
like. No, we have to do the throwing one first. Oh, no, you don't throw it. You're like
I don't know this.
rolling it off.
It
But
doesn't
harder
like,
than that.
it doesn't like go horizontal.
I said
If
harder.
I go like that, then there's more horizontal. Like, you know, just like. Oh my god, do not break that.
Okay, let's go like, go right there so I can like get it. Or should we go in the hallway?
We have to measure it first, though.
Measure what?
The distance.
Let's go in the hallway. Do they even have a tape measure in there?
No.
Let's get a meter stick.
Ooh. So,
We're just going to drop it from this line?
well, I'm just gonna measure this.
Because it has to be
Probably should be
meters
recording
anyway.
this. Eh?
I have to record it?
Probably should record the heights though.
Yeah, but come on, we do it in meters. It'd be easier to do it in meters. So we don't have to.
Do we have to do it in meters?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's easier to like do the problem.
I'm just gonna put this in conversion.
No, you're not doing a conversion. Just grab a meter stick.
I'm just gonna put it on the internet and be like, whoa.
That's a meter.
So this is like exactly
So 1 meter.
3 foot. 3 1/4.
Does it have slow motion in it?
Me neither. I don't know, like,
My brain
And 1/16.
Here we go for
Go to the internet, like, well, 3 1/16 meters.
Oh my god, it's like an hour worth of living.
Should we go 2 meters since I throw it so hard?
Yeah.
Okay. Write this down when I tell you.
hold on.
Like we're like slow motioning it.
I got it. I flipped it. We don't need another one.
Yes, we do, because we need scientific evidence that it was 2 meters.
Oh, and wait, you can't put meter sticks together on the end.
Why?
Because look at the end of this.
You do it then.
And look at the end of this. See what happened? Is that all nice and square? What happens when you pound on wood? And what happens the first time you give a kid a meter
That has
stick?
to have a moment.
But that just takes the force in here, transfers it to that center part where it's punched, and bangs it there.
I mean, it's 1 to 2.
Stop moving
I'm
it.
not sure.
Well, you moved it farther when you were.
When you do this, you may not use the end of a meter stick. Ever, for any reason.
But look,
You may not.
I started it at the first line.
No, you have to measure it from the 90 to the 10, or from the 99 to the 1.
That's what I was
Whichever way you
on.
want to do it. And you cannot overlap, unless you overlap, and you put a number that you can see, like the 8, even with the 1.
That's what I literally had.
And then you have
took
to start
it.
from the 99 to here. Okay? And we are not measuring from Nikki's toes. We're
She
measuring-
started-
Definitely sets the meters, right, Bree?
We're measuring from where she lets go,
Oh, yeah.
wherever that is. And if she does this,
So-
then it's there.
8.5 meters.
And is this a horizontal launch?
8.5 meters.
Okay,
stick is a.
The one stick is a meter.
Horizontal is perfectly level.
That's setting.
Oh, go like this and then shot put it.
Maybe. You're gonna have to slow it down and stop and see if she's angling down,
Yes.
angling up, or keeping it perfectly. And then it's gonna let go from the end of your arm. So we're gonna want to measure.
Should we weigh them too?
Yeah.
So if
Or
you're
you
back
put
far enough and
36.
we can see the floor, you can figure out where. Well, see, that depends on when you let go. 'Cause you might let go here, you might let go there, you might let go there.
Guys, can you get out of our thing? We're trying to do this.
What was 9.4? Yeah, I measured that one spot.
They're not doing the one thing,
I know.
so they're gonna be wrong.
Did Landon
better give him an
succeed in
app.
finding a tape measure? Tape measures haven't been banged on the floor a whole bunch of times. And would get a really good measurement because tape measures haven't been banged on the floor a whole bunch of times and become inaccurate.
In like an hour and a half, we'll be able to go.
Yeah.
Why don't we just go measure at the end where we're not recording?
Maybe it's not horizontal. Maybe
We
it's
just
not
can't measure
perfectly
it quick
level.
and we'll be on.
You said that like 4 minutes.
It was a
Guys,
matter
why
of
don't you
seconds.
measure like on the end?
So it wasn't that big a deal. And we don't know if it's perfectly level. It might be different over there.
That was horizontal.
And besides that, you can throw it at people.
Well,
Down.
Oh, and I found out yesterday I'm not teaching my environmental water quality thing this summer, and I'm not teaching Minecraft mathematics. I'm teaching Minecraft aviation.
Are you still teaching here next year?
Lottie, get out
You know
of the
what I know
way.
about Minecraft
3 feet.
aviation?
Yeah, I'm finding meters.
I'm gonna have to figure it out.
No, it's like 3 feet, 3
I can
centimeters.
draw it like this, right? 'Cause that's the horizontal, because I don't have elbow room at the table. Or I just have to measure it and see if that's
So, it's like 0.99.
Oh.
So I was like, oh my
Which matter?
Right.
Daddy, I just typed it in.
I need your
That's not
assistance
three- that's not
Uh-huh.
on this broken scale.
Broken scale.
Actually,
Zero.
she did it pretty. You
Point
know,
one.
like
Doesn't measure anything.
Cool.
I have no clue.
look at my wrist, like you flicked your wrist. You can't flick your wrist.
Might
Why
be.
not? Mr. Snyder, is that okay?
Could we take this off?
Okay. Put that back on.
I feel like
Both
I
of
can't
them are
do
like
that
that.
without flicking my
Alright.
wrist.
So, it comes on.
Sorry, I meant to
It
grab
does
it.
that.
My hands are small.
It's like it feels, I don't like that.
Like, palm it
Zero,
like
and it
this,
thinks.
and
Should I
then
try it?
I don't,
And
it doesn't
then-
go as far, I don't like that.
That's gonna be way too small.
I don't think flicking my wrist
3
matters.
feet, 5 feet.
Would you stop fucking doing it?
Hey, hey, hey.
well, he's not paying attention. And
No,
The video's paying
Uh-uh.
attention.
I don't care, she kept throwing it and I didn't feel like going and getting it 100 times.
well, like if you would just watch the video and say if
You
it
need
was
a
okay
dog.
already, then we wouldn't have this problem.
It's 0.93.
I think this is gonna measure too small.
The
I think
basketball.
that's gonna be, the
Because
basketball's
like
gonna be way too
you're-
heavy for
like
this.
when you go like this,
I'm
it,
just
like,
gonna Google.
pushed it down a little bit.
No, you can't do
I can Google basketball.
Oh,
Not the exact that. I can
But at the same time,
test air pressure
it
and
looks
stuff.
like it was just pushing it this way. But he's not paying attention.
There.
Does that sound good?
Okay, Bree.
But we have
get
to
your phone
like
out, take a picture.
measure how far it
Quick.
goes.
I'm going.
So you have to like throw it less hard.
No,
I'll
iPhones.
just measure it more because it landed like at Bree's.
there you go. Now you know. Did you get a little bit of the ball in that picture?
Yeah.
So you know? Even like a week from now you'll know?
Yeah.
Okay. So now you know the mass of the ball.
And
Let's hit 0 again. And I don't think this is gonna work.
I got it.
Yep. Too heavy.
Okay.
So,
How big is the final velocity?
you should try to get that on a triple beam balance. If you have triple beam balances that don't have all the hanging downy things, then it'll work. If you have one
in here
that's all
somewhere.
flat, that has the cup,
It's somewhere around here. Green.
green
Ball. Right, green ball. Okay, 63.915.
We might get done with this by like next year.
Why does it say it's 1 gram?
Landon, what are you doing tonight?
What?
What are you doing tonight?
I don't know.
you don't want the ones that hang. There you go, perfect. And then you're gonna want
Hold it.
hold it.
Like a cup lid?
Turn.
Is there a lighter?
And then you want to zero it.
I'm moving this.
I'm gonna get it perfectly balanced. Nope.
I just want to know if it sits on the
It
lid.
does.
It does.
It does. Now you have to make it balance. And then you have to record what it says. And it ain't gonna be much. You're gonna want that on 0. Probably do it with this one. It's already too heavy.
I know.
There you go. Probably want that on 0. It's already down, right?
Yeah.
Moving it farther is just gonna make it go down.
It doesn't work out. It does. Do I want the metal mark down?
There's a screw right here, right?
Yeah.
If this needs to go up, that screw needs to come out because you need more weight to go that way. And then you wanna, and you can put it really close and put your thumb underneath it. So it's gotta come out some more. So
How do
you
you
can
know
actually
that?
just grab it, let her go, and then let it go really slow.
That's about good.
It's gonna be close.
Stop bouncing.
You're gonna have to go out just a little bit more, isn't it? Like one turn. There you go. And then we wanna get it up here.
Like a screen protector.
Good.
Perfect.
Like half a slip.
Now what's
Now
that
you can-
weight?
Finally, look at our
This is all at 0, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So then you throw in the basketball, and then you have to move it.
Yeah.
Attention staff, Infinite Campus is now up and running, so you can log in anytime. Thanks.
Skip right
It took
over
a while
us.
at the beginning of the class. Did you ask first?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
I didn't even ask a question.
Okay. I heard something over here while I was concentrating over there.
Is that good? Cause like I flicked my wrist.
As long as you measure from up here, how high is that? Because it pretty much went. Yeah, that launch was fairly close. How could you make it perfectly flat?
I said to go like this and then go like palm it and then just
I
push
don't
it.
dislike doing that. That was rude.
Was that not a perfectly horizontal launch?
You're slowly killing my thumb, so hurry up and make your
Was that
decision.
a perfectly horizontal launch? Is this table perfectly horizontal? Or as close as we can get in this science lab?
Crappy contractors.
But it's as close as we can get in this science building, right? Okay, so why not use that for your horizontal, and then make this go a little bit vertical?
Or we could
And
just
then
drop
measure
a
this
ball.
angle.
Or we could just drop a ball.
And calculate this speed from the phone.
Or we could
And
just
if
like,
you know this angle and this speed, you can figure out how far it's
why
gonna
can't
go.
we just go like this and
Because
then let
that's
it
a
go?
drop, that's different, we already did that, we've moved on.
So can I go like this?
It needs to be launched.
Can I go like this?
It needs to be at an angle above the horizontal, not vertical.
How's that going?
So can I go
Gotta
like,
get it.
can you catch this?
As long as it's not vertical,
Well, that was too vertical. So like that?
as long as it's not vertical. Between horizontal and vertical, somewhere in between, it'll be good. But, you have to see it.
I'm just trying to
Okay.
make him not catch it.
Okay, I got it.
Yeah.
How do you read these weights?
See it leave on the phone so that you can calculate its initial speed.
Mr. Schneider?
Right.
So, but if we roll it off here, then it's vertical.
So 500.
You need one that's horizontal, one that's not.
80 and
So are you talking about the horizontal one or not? 'Cause I
That's the
really
horizontal, this is the nut.
The what's this? What is this?
Anywhere in there is not horizontal. If this is horizontal, and this is vertical,
Okay.
We're not gonna be done today then.
that's okay.
Okay, take
how
the
do you
video,
read these?
'cause I'm just-
Because like
Oh,
that's
wait, are you
500,
gonna
that's
follow
800, and this like what? How do you read?
No, that's 500,
Yeah,
that's 80,
80,
and that's
This page just isn't
it's like
straight.
4.5,
No, I'm
4.6,
doing it from
4.7.
here.
yeah.
I'm doing the
Right?
vertical one,
I think
and not the
we
vertical.
don't want to move it, but yeah.
So we got 500,
Yeah, no,
and
but I'm doing the other one.
84.7.
Just taking the video really quick.
Okay,
No, he said that
grams.
that's a drop,
Yeah.
and you can't
Five
drop it, we have
three.
to like non-verticalize it.
And you can whip out your phone and take a picture of that and prove that too, right?
580 something.
Don't you want slow-mo?
580.
If you take the picture, she can look at the picture and she can help.
She don't know
you
how to read
figure
it
out.
either.
But she needs to.
I know.
You all need
You
to.
don't need to get all of me in the video, get the ball.
Hold on, I can't move.
Go over here and do it.
Okay, now, hang on 1 second.
I didn't do it right.
Assuming that we have a perfect launch, assuming that you got it in your phone and you can calculate the speed limit, where did it land?
Okay, okay.
And can you measure
Maybe
that?
go video from here so that we can do this.
With a cat screen, I feel like.
And you have to see the launch, you have to see the landing, and you have to be able to measure.
You won't let me.
So you probably need somebody over here spotting it.
Hey,
So
got it.
580
Go spot it.
with 4 and
No, you. You're already there. Next low.
And
Oh, you know that's
once
80.
you launch,
80.
Okay, I'm going
Fine.
straight.
it's 80,
Stop. Here,
and this is
That's
4.
85.
So if I have this.
Right?
There's one right after that, which is on. So it's 2.6.
Right there.
Sure, okay.
pencil.
So 580.
Get it.
And
Full,
4.
then 5.
I have the distance.
Right? No.
No, it's 4. And
That's gonna be 5 right there.
no, it's 4.
Right here.
No, it's not. It's
Right here.
5.
I had my
Okay.
hands in the exact
See?
spot.
It was on the 5. It was on the one right before the 5 was made.
It's still balanced when you put it on the 5.
Hold on, let's see.
She reached out, didn't she?
Okay, it was
Nope.
right here.
It's pretty damn
Nope.
close. And in-
Well, make it. I don't care. Go for it.
That didn't look very
Okay,
good.
so 585.
Right here measures this. Height.
Really. Okay, now we need to feel like that's just like straight like
Okay.
do whatever it is.
How fast was it going when it left?
The ball go vertical.
Okay.
Meter point.
So it was going
1.12
meters per second when it left, and it was going 40 degrees.
You have to do vertical for both of them.
So you have to do vertical and then horizontal.
Hold on.
Only for one. What do you miss?
What can you do for the vertical?
We gotta do what they just did, but yeah.
Well, don't copy them.
Because that was the height. Now we have to
What's
do
that?
distance.
Your pen thing.
Where's the dot?
Oh god, on a dirty 4 game.
That's not gonna work on
Nice.
It was like slightly. Landon, don't walk on it. Oh, yeah, it's slightly great.
Yeah, go back, sit back now. Because it didn't start from there. Wherever your hands.
Oh, when I let go of
Yeah, we
it.
do.
You have a number, where'd you get it? How'd you calculate it?
There's a vertical.
If you go straight down, it's a meter.
Figured it out.
Right there. No. Okay. Stop moving it so I can figure out what number it is.
Well, we did it.
Now you're not on the dot.
No.
I know, because I'm trying to measure from your hands.
Acceleration of a projectile.
Go forward.
Slow.
Go back a little bit.
Yeah.
Well, that was the plan.
I don't think I'm
Ready,
gonna.
ready,
How do
you
you
got slow motion
find
app on
As
force?
long as you're working your butts off, I don't care.
Mr. Schneider, how do you find force?
Ready.
Yeah, people say
There's
that.
slow motion app.
Yeah. Well, I have like so much
Oh,
on my
yeah.
phone.
I don't know how to do it.
Can we use your phone?
No, well, it's like an app for it.
You launched it,
I'll just video.
right?
Guys, I don't
Yeah, see, look. She's not.
If after you
I wish I had one of those old people grab it.
Hey, can I?
My grandma got one of those.
It's awesome.
I hate it.
Got what?
One
of those grabbies.
Grab, you know. What are they called? You ready for this?
So we
We're
need
gonna throw.
You can't. You have to like keep your hand like when you let go.
Like.
No, no. Are you doing horizontal?
Yeah, we're doing that.
Okay, then you go like this. No, like.
Oh, like that?
Yeah.
So give me that, Ruby.
Oh,
So like this.
I wrote that down on the
Here you
right
go.
thing. No. No, you have to go straight first of all. Second of all, Bree, grab that marker and then exactly where it drops, mark it on the floor.
Like put an X, because I can't find it. Right, ready?
So if we launch it just real quick,
You're retarded, Landon.
Too far?
No, you
at the
think?
same angle,
Okay.
Hold on.
You got the paper clips.
same amount
I
of
do
force.
have it.
Oh, I thought it's still up there. Ready? What was that? So the middle of the X, right?
Not even like, no.
If we're gonna launch it.
That didn't even like slow motion it right.
Let's do it again.
Because Landon went too fast.
Okay, I'll go slow.
And you know
Okay,
that
hold
too.
on. When I say go, go.
Okay.
So in that cosine of 40 degrees and the distance actually you got force.
Put a dot in there. There you go. Got it.
How many times do you do it?
Okay, where were your hands at when you threw it? No. When you let go of the ball, they were right here.
Yeah.
So you have to measure the distance from his hands down to the ground. And then you have to measure the distance from your spot, your X, to his hands.
We'll go, Bree.
Martin?
Yeah. Struggle.
What?
And there's a X.
I say we use that ball for everything. Yeah.
Mama, Bree.
Yeah, pinky, move your other fingers.
Yeah. Okay.
Jess is coming to our school.
They're separated.
Is she?
What's it say? It's on the 16th. 61.
Just straight 61?
Well, 5 feet and 61.
Okay, we have to do the
Now
vertical
I have to
one,
measure
right?
my hands from,
Hold on.
right, record.
now we need one.
I have acid reflux. I'm sorry that I'm dying.
I'm making fun.
Better be sorry.
What?
Kylie.
I was just making fun.
We were both talking at the same time. Okay,
What? Oh, talking.
2. That's 1 inch. No?
I'm ready.
That one's 1 inch.
You can't like push it too hard because we don't have.
3/4 right
And
there.
you're gonna have to move the chair.
The little one's a 1/16. The really little one's a 1/4.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now we gotta measure from my hands to the X.
Move the chair and don't hit it very hard.
Which one's?
Hey,
Should we do it vertically? Like, do we
one
like
of you
do it
guys
like this?
help Buster good question.
Yeah. How do we measure our hands to the X?
Like this, go
No,
straight.
you measure straight down to the ground.
did.
And then you go
Just-
from straight
yeah.
down from where your hands were to the dot.
Okay.
Where's that marker?
You went through this, you got everything you could from it.
Yeah, we'll help you. Hold on.
I'm gonna put it on.
We're doing it in inches. We'll convert it later.
Because I couldn't put my foot like where it is.
So you force it
You're
to
not there.
master.
You know where it is?
Yeah.
If I'm pushing on you,
Wait, we have to
I'm
measure it
measuring
from back
if
here.
I'm pushing on the chair or.
Measure how long that is and then write it down and then we'll figure it out later.
Okay, so hold on.
Be like right
Can
at
you
that
calculate
line.
your acceleration?
Okay.
Yeah.
Right on that line. Yeah, technically right.
It always comes out. You know how to read a table?
Oh, nope, down. Hold on.
Okay.
Ready? Okay, that's 1, 2, 3. Right here, I'm gonna stop.
I'm just gonna.
Okay.
No, it's about.
Because you can draw two, right? That's good. Cannon, 360.
No.
Cannon,
7 foot.
you just wanna, call it.
It was a little, oh, that's
Easy
fine.
one?
Okay,
So
yeah,
it's
that's
like
right.
3 inches?
You like put your foot like this, and then you moved it backwards. And I was so I was like, that's not where, oh, yeah.
Okay,
Is it with or without gravity?
help them know.
Oh, I got it.
Oh, you got it? Okay. Are you doing it without the side of gravity?
Well, the Doritos trees.
Where?
We have to have gravity, don't we? Otherwise the ball would continue to go up and up and up.
Not the part that matters, the 77. Hey,
Even tearing the paper towels we failed
do
today.
we add like from here and then this?
Because I did that.
Where's the projectile motion start?
7:16.
Yeah, this is not projectile motion. A projectile is an object that's flying through the air.
Oh, we added something.
2 inches.
Yeah, you don't do this. So you have an actual starting spot.
I'll show you.
And if you spot it where it landed, you would have an actual ending spot. So you have a starting and an ending.
We still gotta do basketball too, but we'll do that later. I'm not sure we asked him.
Yeah. Mr. Schneider, it's my turn.
Awesome.
Where's
Awesome.
my light?
Oh, can you actually see where?
Remember I knocked all these over?
And look at Nikki's.
No, she moved
She
it.
turned her toes.
And
Yep.
so she got exactly the spot.
And then you measured there?
Yeah.
And you measured from here? You didn't measure from there?
Yeah.
Because this is different?
Yes!
Down with this.
Yes!
This. And then I
Really?
flip
Oh,
it.
wait.
Initial velocity.
We would use these for me.
Stop moving it.
I'm not moving. It's kind of flopping. It's pendulum right now. Is that how you got your bottom spot? Your starting spot?
Like this.
Because you can do this.
Hey,
Or
Bree.
you can do that.
No, she did it
Well,
perfectly. I was watching
you're
it
right.
over there to
You
make
took
sure.
pains to try and make sure it was vertical?
Yes!
Awesome.
I
Did you
know
put
how to math.
Did you put a projector? A protractor down there to measure the angle to make sure that it was
It's
flowing
a
up at a
90-degree
90?
angle.
I need a height formula calculator.
We're done here.
Obviously, Nikki knows how to math.
I know how to math.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Fine. I can't play.
Oh, yeah.
Why don't you just turn the light on?
This is a light.
No, like the light in
Where? Where's the light
I'll
on
go
it?
from one side, you go from the other side.
Well, I'm done. I'm just checking out my hair.
Weird.
I'm bored. So we did measure
Justice
from there
said
to
she
this.
can't come see us.
Darn. This point.
Starts out.
I wanted to get ice cream with her. We don't even have some ice cream, so we're not smoking.
Hey,
So,
Brittany, yeah.
I'm skateboarding.
Coffee out for that kid.
What?
19.6.
Who?
So, what are you doing?
Yeah, but they closed it, didn't they?
Did they?
Like, for winter time, they stopped selling ice cream for winter.
Who did?
Right?
Coffee house.
There is no vertical part on that third.
Because that's what Peg told me. But
Hey,
Zero, it goes to.
Brittany, what did you do after we measured from here to there? Measured there to there, there to there.
you do your other one.
It's not. Oh. You wanna capture this?
Aren't those same numbers?
No, you have. Did you do the horizontal one where you like go like this?
So we need a
Like 2
height
plus periods
formula.
ago?
Those are vertical.
Yeah, they were.
Well, we're using
Yeah.
a little skirt.
No, you take this and you slide it on the table and you take a slow motion video.
Yeah.
down.
Yeah, I know. Baller skills is real. B-Joe.
Do I need height at all?
Yeah.
That was a carry. I don't even
Hey,
care.
hey.
What are we doing, sir?
I know. There's somebody next door. There's 6th graders next door and they can't focus today.
So, Bree,
figure out.
our horizontal is that, and vertical is this, because we got rolled off the table. Okay, so,
Horizontal.
Right.
Vertical.
slow mo this.
Do it on that side and do.
And then it so the vertical.
We should go play basketball or something. I don't want to do this. Ready?
Okay, you're gonna have to like. Bree, you might want to move the thing.
We need the marker.
Move the thing. Move your foot. Move everything. And then Bree needs to like find out exactly where it is.
Exactly.
Ready?
Ready?
And the Y part, after it goes up and comes back down, is going to be exactly like dropping.
Oh man, that's a big X.
Okay, hold on.
Do we have to figure out how much force we use when we push it on anything?
That one was launched up at a very specific amount.
These are like
yours will launch up at 40 degrees, and I don't know if
That's right, you're
Is
good.
there a way we can like?
So then you have to measure the distance from the out part of the table where it started, like the out part, like the black part, down to the ground. And then you have to
Then it's gonna
find that and then measure it to the.
What do we measure this as? This table?
We didn't do that yet.
Yeah, we did. From the ground up. From that?
So in
It's
order to
0.92
do this,
meters.
do you need to calculate how high?
0.92
Or how
meters.
much time
Yeah.
is spent going
How
up?
high the thing, what call
Time
it
is
is.
spent going down? No, it's not. Not when
Landon,
you
you
launch
were
it at
so
40
wrong.
degrees and you did.
What'd I put?
8.5 centimeters.
No, I didn't.
So it didn't go up for very long.
What?
Are you like, wow.
But
What'd you say it was, Nikki?
what is the
0.92 meters.
Oh, no, okay, sure.
8.5
On this
centimeters.
one, we don't.
I don't
Ray, do you
know.
have like the iPhone to the computer cord?
the amount of time it's
With
spent
yes.
going up.
Where's it at?
It's right on that list over there in that graph. I don't know if it's gonna work very well. 'cause it's
Our
got
X is
to be
40.
a big
If you know that it went up for this many seconds before it
Okay,
got
how many
down,
is this?
Smack, smack.
then you could
To get my
calculate
pictures and
Forty.
stuff.
angle if you knew how much force it was giving.
Hey, what?
How much mass it had.
food.
All of these things were
Acceleration. Where's my name? Or acceleration. We do change
No.
them.
No, it sounded like she said three.
Oh.
But she said 480?
Yeah,
Yeah.
probably.
Okay.
If you know the velocity.
Well,
Not the final.
No,
If you
from
can
the X
calculate
to the wall.
the upward part of your initial.
What
did you say it was?
What is the store?
Yeah,
And
probably.
then take
What'd
it
you
up
say
to
it
the
was?
zero
40.
where it
For
stopped
the
going up.
height? Meters?
Yeah,
That
this is
would be
meters,
your
right? Yeah.
initial velocity.
No,
that equals a meter, it'd be 7 meters.
Yeah.
And that would be the zero velocity
Confused.
in an upward direction.
This doesn't work.
Why, you wanna go to the store,
Sorry.
Brittany?
If you watch this video to find
Keep
out.
trying to do it, because that's what I have to do with mine.
How do you do this? Wait.
You might need that.
Wait, what do you, if I had my other pickup here, I'd
Mr.
have one.
Snyder, do you have this cord?
I would have that.
Like from my computer to your iPhone?
Brittany,
Yeah.
you should come here.
Okay, what else do we need to know? Nothing?
Hold on.
There are a bunch of other random stuff that you have to calculate.
Like math?
Have you,
Yeah.
did you go to?
Did you get hit in the face with all those?
Yep.
And make an
I
account?
don't need like a 20 bucks.
The what?
That's all. Symbol loop.
Yeah,
The rough
what's the all you've got?
It's a website organizing thing. It has a really lame name,
Here's horizontal.
but it's a really awesome thing.
This is bad.
You just
Really
literally
bad.
click a button and
You
it
see it?
sends your
Why
website
isn't this working?
on a page and you can
Holy
name the page,
shit.
control what page it goes to.
There, that one.
I don't need it. I'm just gonna send it to my email.
But you could have a projector.
So we got all that
I
recorded?
was gonna download them, but.
Should we start making our PowerPoint break?
That goes in the top.
What if we know our time?
We don't, who's computer gonna do that now?
You know the time?
What should we call it? This.
Our
You
PowerPoint?
need to know the math.
Who's bothering?
If you know the math, you can do more calculation.
Well,
I know it's
The
working.
way.
So you're gonna wanna look for projectile motion formulas and then put in like,
Can I just,
Like weight of a rubber band.
Deuces.
I don't
I think
know.
I'll look like
Do you still have it?
I need like a straw. And then I can like tape
I knew this was stuff all on Wednesday.
You're such a jerk. That's so
So I can pull it back out for you.
You didn't.
Are you getting anything done besides stupid stuff? And I happen to know that that is gonna piss Norman off. Don't get it.
What's the thing I have?
Why?
Because Austin was messing with one day
Was
at the
he?
end of the study hall when Dennerman came back in for PE and he got mad at me for
Okay,
doing it.
we're gonna minus.
Really?
We're gonna minus 2.
Yeah, we got it.
Nope, we're gonna minus 1.
Lexi took one and he yelled.
We're gonna minus 2. Okay.
Lexi did that. Austin's the one that tied it. You're right.
Well, Letterman's not in here at the moment, so.
Mr. Schneider, we got everything done. We just need to do our math and make it.
It's not
1.27.
working.
Fine.
Sure it is.
You're cool. I'm gonna do it on my pinky.
Yep.
Oh wow.
Grams.
Oh, that just disappeared. What just happened with my life?
Okay, we got it.
Oh, it did not pop.
Oh, wait.
Mr. Snyder, how do you make this work?
Make what work? Oh. Is your phone listed over there?
It's my blood all over it.
Like it said it was working and it's charging my phone.
Oh, you made it on Windows.
Do you have to set your phone to behave like?
No, it says USB device not recognized.
Roll the ball off the table, but you calculate. Try to.
What can you do in non-horizontal?
This one doesn't even work.
was mad about that bill yesterday.
Oh, you didn't get past it.
Nope, I won, but they were
Yeah,
it.
only one. I seen that on news.
But they
You know how
didn't
much?
do it.
How do you need to find our
Not
finder?
just so much here.
Yeah, here.
But like in other, like, up where I'm state.
How's that going? No, downstairs.
Oh.
Oh,
Yeah, you gotta have a cool hat.
what did I do?
Probably, I think, I'm gonna ask her if she wants to go back next year so I can go with her.
She said probably not. Because, you know how ICC is. They said, your grandma said, the person that was like taking the ticket, she's like, oh, you don't have any passwords to go back home. Like, no information to go back home. Like, I'm out. Then she ran away. Also dropped it. And then they found her. She found they got new. Because your grandpa had his credit card when they're supposed to. They bought new tickets and stuff. So then it happened
Maybe you can do that.
Hey, I have a question. Can we use this for,
Tina and I might
can
go.
we use this for our final block? Okay,
It was the I
So when
think.
you get trapped.
You don't know how to figure
Your
that
grandma
out.
was telling us how one of her friends' friend got
Acceleration and horizontal. What's your acceleration?
trapped into ISIS or something because it was something like that.
What is she making up?
Right, but
Yeah.
even
She
your
did it to any
non-horizontal
of my
one, you
family
got
that. If it was that
vertical
time,
and
sure, she
horizontal
was
both,
lucky.
right?
It's why.
It's like a Y, and it has an
It
X.
got exaggerated.
What's your acceleration in the X?
Well, she said like they went with.
Maybe it was, maybe I was just not trained that, I guess.
Yes, because Jeffrey Jeffrey
9.8.
you don't have
Acceleration
like
in the
a
X.
new job.
Is it 0?
Lane, did you take
It's
that
always
basketball
the
back?
same.
No, I didn't.
Y has 9.8.
It's A of X. The final.
How much did that ball slow down?
I'm glad you caught that.
I launched it up, right?
0 when I caught it.
It was 0 before it left my hand. It had some kind of speed when it left. What kind of speed did it
Yeah,
have
do we-
when it got to
question.
0? No,
I have a
before it got to 0. Before you stopped.
I don't know.
I gotta
That's
hopefully
bad.
have to like.
Okay,
look at the force.
do you guys have done some weird back?
Do you think the speed changed?
No,
Yeah,
I
if you
get
get
all my
on
pictures and stuff on
And I launched it up, right? And it was coming down when it got to you, right? So the Y changed. Did the X change?
It's down.
No, the X didn't change. It doesn't matter if you throw it overhanded or underhanded.
So your A of X is still 0.
Yes.
Okay. So I can put this in and get my final velocity without having my acceleration.
That's Stukel and
Right?
Yes, because part of that formula is going to fall away. When you put it in.
That's when Stukel ripped his
And
shirt and
then
tied it on his
your-
head.
What's X about?
I
Initial.
should send that to him and be like, I have this video, it's a nice
Oh, your
Initial
initial.
Initial something. I can't read that.
It's like a cool PowerPoint.
Initial.
You're like, Lee,
Oh, yeah.
get out.
No.
Oh, there's that.
It's not your initial velocity times time, but
These are all videos. Oh, Austin looks so creepy.
You can buy dead animals. Do you want to buy a pig for $12?
no.
This pig? Probably it's in that cent, you sure?
That one is that one. I keep watching.
And final position, so that you know distance travel.
What do you put?
He looks
And
so.
live
This is just getting harder and harder.
Turkey organs?
Oh, this is you and
It
Zach.
does.
I don't like it. I can't do it.
Wow.
Have you found the site?
The
It
sheep formula costs
shows you
$5.
examples,
This is
and it shows you all the math.
my card.
This class is really good.
That's my hand.
Try some other ones, because you
Preserved
couldn't do that.
dogfish sharks.
And you need to get it.
It doesn't work.
Now I'm
something
not.
Doesn't
No,
work.
what is your position?
I just
What
wanted
is
to like do it.
like
Grasshoppers are pretty cheap.
Your
47 cents.
XF is gonna be your position,
They're like nothing.
final.
Here's a pig with a baby.
XO is your position initial.
What's the difference between your position and your distance?
I'm like, this is
There isn't one. Because position is just
Yeah.
where you are on some kind of a scale.
Is that Ronnie or Bree? No, it's Aurora.
What are you guys looking at?
Your position is 0. And your
You know how
final
they're
position
good?
is
That's
Bree, come look at this video.
3.38 meters or 3.9.
They
Like
can
what?
inject like a red meat in it.
Yeah.
Initial.
So you can like see what it did, like a heart.
Yeah.
And you know the time. And this all goes away when you put it in a zero.
Look at her.
So
Like
you
last
calculate
year.
it, you love it.
There's Lad, and there's Ron
I
in
wanna
the
see.
background.
Why is it keep
And then I still have this video. It's like strictly tied in like chorus shirt.
Hey, Bree, you saw your
Oh my gosh, yeah, that's old. Look how little he looks.
He'll tell you how to solve it. He'll walk you right through it.
Bree, you saw your rabbit?
Yeah.
Well, you don't see what it looks like without skin or fur?
She's downloading all of these.
No, it's not. You keep doing stuff, so now
Yeah.
it's not recognized. And it's
Ooh,
not
they have
here
preserved
anymore.
skin cat.
Wow, it was.
No, but what?
You don't know
But I
if she
couldn't
probably
find the
got
videos
dissected.
that we needed.
That's because I can't watch.
Got more money than that.
Does that mean you have to unplug it and replug it?
That's what I just did.
Nope, she's done.
I know. but the
I unplugged it and
pocket's
replugged
over
it like 4 times.
Wait, wait, wait.
that bike's not really horizontally,
It is so long till lunch.
Uh-oh.
Didn't you say? The one we had that does launch horizontally, I got the one that does, it's done.
No, wait, don't plug it back in here.
Yeah, we
Close
did
that.
Tell me when, because I have it unplugged.
Mine was so bad.
Why are you counting?
50. Now you can go.
You know, give me a slice.
Why did I just do that?
Because her computer needs to figure out it's not plugged in anymore. And
Now it's charging, so.
Okay, so now we might get a pop.
Now it's not, now it is. Now it is again.
So,
It's so amazing.
Okay, so go to your file folder.
That's his hair.
There it is.
I'm gonna put that thing over back.
This is internal
when I was
storage
typing
identity.
your last,
Alright,
the last period.
just being an idiot. Let's bring it up. We'll try it.
I probably already.
Okay?
But there's some stuff on my phone that I really don't think you should have on your computer.
I know.
He's kind of like done with like.
We'll stop it from downloading. And
Okay.
then we'll just,
Because we were just looking at those videos, and there's quite a few videos that I don't think teachers should look at.
that's why I didn't want you to put it into my machine first.
Because it's like a mobile.
Can I go get a drink while you're doing that?
Yes. Then you should come around.
Yeah.
What are you doing? Coloring it.
On my grandma's.
Do you want to
I pushed trust, well,
Okay, that's
kind of actually, pretty much in our own words to be a little bit nicer.
trying to do this. I don't want it.
Put teeth on one.
Laddie, I want to hold position, why did I think this is?
Hey, is it gonna be a negative final? Like, final velocity? If you started higher,
What would a negative velocity be?
what?
If we have a,
marble rolls across the floor.
We're graphing things.
There's no sleeve, there's no acceleration, there's no force.
Yeah, you saw that zero, zero going down.
Right.
Give me a
Well,
green
what if
marker. He needs
this
that
is
green hair.
your velocity in the horizontal. So positive
So
goes this
old
way,
dust.
negative goes that way.
He's saying if you,
You can't have a negative velocity.
I guess the rest of this.
You would be going backwards.
you said you had a negative final velocity.
Seriously, I should delete some of those things, like this goes through my phone.
You gotta click and
Some
go
of my
down.
grandparents went through my phone.
He's talking about in the Y. Because it's going down. So it's negative. And up is positive. I'm talking horizontal.
Oh my god.
So yes, you can have a negative
This is it.
velocity.
It smells like shaving.
Not
This is
a-
making me mad because you can't get final velocity without your acceleration. You can't get acceleration without your final velocity.
I don't know what to write.
Can I just like leave it? This
I know how to do it all.
For each orbital, she made it, so there's like 75 features. I still want to do this.
We could do displacement divided by time. LOL. Hey.
Me as a teacher, I would do that.
Yeah, you got a lot done today.
Seriously, for this place, you need a lot.
It's just so
Hey, you gonna
difficult.
sign up for a free
It's
appetizer?
My brain's not smart enough.
How's the Khan Academy thing going?
It's not working.
Should I draw a different face on this side then?
Yeah, we like a happy and sad face. Like, you know.
Alright,
Okay.
That's fine to watch it. We already did that.
no, I don't have my phone.
You don't know your final. That's just gonna be watching.
Britt and Nick.
Britt and Nick's
Bricks and Nick picks. Yeah. We're never going to it.
Okay,
So back to that rock.
So I'm leaving this on Letterman's
You know what I was
desk.
trying to
Thanks,
say?
Matt. I'm leaving this on Letterman's desk. Good, good.
Jack, I'm sure we have those videos.
What are you doing?
I gotta make a sad face on the other side.
Do you remember how many we had highlighted?
What?
4 or 6?
Well, yeah, Ronnie wrote it,
1,
and
2,
then
3, 4,
I just
5,
went and wrote it on the board.
Wait, we're at 9.
Hannah, what time are you guys leaving?
9. Yeah.
What time
Right
are you
after this class.
leaving?
Oh, this is like the biometric short.
There.
Alright, distance by life.
Maybe they're just coming and they're gonna be real slow.
Or maybe we can go on.
Who the heck knows this one?
Oh, wait.
Don't have to record you to do this, I'm not doing it.
I'll let them-
These iPhones don't look anything close to even. That's okay.
What's going on?
I need a blue marker.
Fish stars,
Do
we're
we
going to
not?
the store.
Do we not have blue markers in the building?
I don't like frozen, like,
I don't like
we freeze the
canned
fish's
fish.
head, but I don't like the, like,
Ham stuff?
yeah, and like, you know, the, yeah, you know, like, the fish sticks that you put, like, when you warm and stuff, I don't like those.
I like
I like, yeah.
You're either too picky or you don't know what tartar sauce is.
lots of times.
Because you put tartar sauce on it,
LOL.
you need to shoot.
Can't do that, I don't know my
Yeah, I didn't do
We
that.
don't have fire.
4.
They're probably like, same color.
Okay.
Yeah,
No, they turned it off.
we don't get tartar sauce.
Cause I guess you gotta.
Turn the light off.
Who did what?
Why does it smell like smoke?
Can we do ask divided by M?
No, no.
I was like, God, who started
Like, I
something?
smelled it when I went out there, I'm like, oh.
Yeah, like it's like,
I hated everything.
You know that really should be moving over.
my life. I'm gonna borrow this cord till I start back.
She's totally picky.
He's a bad teacher, you can tell.
What?
I'm gonna start.
Doesn't even know what our school colors are.
You need help finding stuff.
Yeah, no, because I can't find,
I was like,
I know the last one, I can't find the
Gosh,
I can't find the
Whenever I'm on
can't find
Dee's
the
computer, I want to type in my
acceleration.
password, and whenever I'm
Okay.
mine, I want to type in D's.
You can't find the floor.
Isn't your color like a 9.8?
Check out motion formula sheet.
I'm just gonna make this.
What did you? Never mind. I know what you named it.
What's burning?
Nothing.
Smells good.
I think we need to talk to Bree about that.
LOL, I live a match. Nothing big.
Now my back hurts.
See, at least I'm not the only one that thinks it smells good.
I do.
That ain't right.
I was just like
Why?
Nikki.
It's just no. It's just like it just reminds me of like a campfire, and I'm like, oh yes, I'm ready for
No,
something.
Nikki like opened the cupboard and it smelled like really bad. So I was like, oh, is there a fire in there?
Should I get this when I go hot
having a good day at all.
No, I think you got most of this figured out.
No, I don't.
Yeah, they
You
do.
do.
No, I don't.
You're just, that's
Now
the
it
same
works.
issue, I get stuck, and that's putting it all together. And that's the thing that I can't do for you.
Yeah, Hannah, they go to school in Cologne.
Yeah, no.
So why do they winter?
I don't know, okay?
So that means that they get here in 20 minutes.
No, it takes about, well, depends how fast do they drive, do they like the speed?
It
They
takes,
do speed limit?
no, it takes half an hour. When you go to winter, doing the speed limit, it takes half an hour.
What are you doing
For
for why are you talking about it?
So they'd be here like 20 minutes early.
Yeah. Yeah, it takes about, if they're gonna do the speed limit, they'll probably honestly be here in 25 minutes.
They're gonna be like, what's your name?
Who?
Yeah.
What do you need help with?
Hey, do you want this back? Cause
He's
I'm not
gonna
ready.
take it away.
Hey, here. I'm done with this.
Bring it back.
I don't want this.
Hannah led. 2 links. Emailed to you. The second one is gonna show you how, and over on the left side is a cheat sheet. In the menu on the left side of the webpage.
I want a cheat
Right there.
You want to send that to everyone?
Oh my god, it's actually
I don't know. You guys want 'em?
Yeah.
I want a black diamond ring.
No, because I'm actually figuring mine out.
You want to go with it?
The day I went to the doctor, what'd you guys do in math? Wasn't there like a quiz?
Yeah,
There was a test.
there was a quiz.
Oh wait, wrong day. Yeah.
So I should probably take that
Physics?
in study hall.
It's not like a graded thing. Like if you got a bad grade, then you don't have to do anything with it. If you got a good grade, you can replace it with a bad grade.
What's it over, isn't it?
It's over
Homework.
7.6 through 7.9.
I'll read it and then I'm gonna study that now.
She did the same
So I don't have to like make that up on Monday.
I did the same girl.
What are you talking about?
He's trying to get a friend of tutor.
What'd you say,
Yeah, and
Hannah?
I did the same thing one time. You have to pay money to get a tutor.
Yeah, they're like that.
Unless like you're looking for.
Why are you sending so many things to me?
Do you have a blue marker? Like, I just need a blue marker.
Page 2, let me look.
You're not gonna help me.
Never mind, I found a blue Sharpie, which
Oh
works
my-
also, so. Sorry, then I'm gonna look through this.
Thanks a lot, everybody.
And I put one of those and one different one into Edmodo as a comment underneath your assignment.
Does Mr. Moore have a class right now?
Yeah.
He has, fresh,
Oh yeah, he does. Or it might be.
He doesn't have a class 3rd period.
Well, I know, but I wanted to go
So
talk
your
to him
ex
to
never
ask him
changes,
if I
right?
could take it next period.
Usually he lets you.
He might have 12 seconds for you.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
I'm gonna
Just
talk
go
about
ask
the
him.
test.
Usually he'll like
Don't
answer
interrupt
your
you when he's
question.
busy, but.
As long as you're not like, you know what I mean.
That's beautiful.
Oh, really? Did she say this actually?
Talked to her for like 20 minutes and she's like, oh, would you like this package or this one? And I was like, okay, I'm out.
Tutor Vista?
Yeah. Tutor Vista.
What element is
How do
TE?
you know?
Boron?
Selenium.
Selenium.
You know this person can tell her to help.
Well, I call it selenium, so.
Did the physics forum one help? Because it shows and it explains a little bit, and then it has a link to formulas for projectile motion.
Sure.
And then it has a whole bunch of formulas.
Can I just call him? They'll probably
students don't help themselves.
Yeah, I try, but they just
Ooh,
don't help us
it's
figure out
going
what
down
the question
real.
is. Why do we use circular motion in stress and strain?
Would be,
You go.
what would be a vertical one? Like taking a soccer ball one? No.
Vertical projectile,
Yeah.
like a rocket.
How are we supposed to do that?
We can't launch a rocket.
No, you can't. But anytime you launch anything, you have a launch point, you have a landing point, you have a curve, and you pick any spot on here, and at any point,
Like shooting a basketball or something?
yeah, throwing a baseball, shooting a cannon, all of those. Kicking a soccer ball. There's a vertical component and a horizontal component at any point along here. And if we pick the very top point, the vertical is 0, and the horizontal. And then here,
I don't get any of that what you're saying, but so shooting a basket into a hoop would be one?
yes,
Yeah.
And-
That's all I wanted to know.
hang on a second.
I see
Tiffany.
hate Mr. Miller.
At these points, we're talking about the forces
He
that
won't
are
let me-
on the ball at this particular point,
Okay,
and there's
He
no
said
more
I can
upward
take the
force
test during class
at-
now.
at the
I don't
vertex,
get no more time
right?
for that.
Which
But
probably
everyone else is
halfway.
getting more time.
So there's 0 up or
Makes
down,
zero sense.
it's just kind of going up and
Like,
it's
they
gonna
went down
stop
for
and
it,
then
but
it's
I'm
gonna
like,
start
oh, no,
coming
no,
down.
no, no.
So we're talking about the motion
Do it during
of the
study
ball
hall.
at these different points.
I still, well, I don't
When
know
we
what
go
I'm doing.
here, this
My
arrow,
guy took him 5 minutes
Would
to answer
change
my
how?
question, and he spent like
I don't know, I'll
Yeah,
do
but
it.
everyone,
to
like,
be
I
sure,
asked him, I was like, why can't I
Because
do
there's
it on
less
Monday like
upward
before I
motion.
was doing? He's like, no,
but
I
the
don't get
sidewind
that.
motion on all of these should be
well, I
identical.
think he meant like do it
And
like
then
today
here
for class, then we
should
like
be
next
down
class
arrow, but it
period,
should be
we have
shorter
to
because it's
get to
less.
it. I'll
It's
go
not
ask
coming
him
down
what
as
he
fast.
means.
But it's going across
I'm
the
just
same.
looking these things like I think that's what he meant.
Everybody found one of these?
What is
And
sine?
and got that
That's
figured out?
usually how it rolls, so.
Sign?
Yeah. You won't learn this stuff here.
It's SOHCAHTOA. S O.
SOHCAHTOA, I know how to do that.
Can I go to the bathroom?
What are the letters in SOHCAHTOA?
SOH, so, C, hold on.
SOHCAHTOA. Right?
What's that little sign that you guys
That.
can go kind of take a circle with a line through it?
That's what it is.
Yeah.
I'm going to
Sine
the
over
bathroom.
hypotenuse,
Okay, is that okay?
cosine,
Is that okay?
adjacent, hypotenuse,
I'm guessing that's okay.
and then
Yes, it's okay.
tangent over adjacent.
So sine is opposite over hypotenuse.
Well, what's the point of using sine?
There is no point.
You got a formula with sine in it?
Well, that's what you gave me, you told me. Didn't it? Sine. No, right there.
Well, this one you take the velocity, the original velocity,
You don't know what it is.
squared, times the sine of 20, which is probably the launch angle.
That's
Don't
not 20, that's
understand.
beta circle thing about.
Is it?
Yeah, I want that is. What's that mean?
Oh, it's theta.
2 beta. whatever, for everything.
Yeah.
Just makes no sense.
All by itself.
Find velocity.
All by itself, no. I would close that if it doesn't make sense to you, and go to one of the others. Because I sent you two, and this one has a little explanation, and then there's formulas at the bottom.
Yeah. Go to the next page.
But he measured that.
I'm gonna make myself a
Yeah,
chiropractor appointment during this
right?
class period. Like, Mom, I need a chiropractor appointment, preferably, you know, 2.
So,
I
how
don't
about
really
if we
feel
modify the search
comfortable
that
that,
we use
like,
then?
chapstick has no, preferably landing like around altitude.
Yeah.
External. Analgesic or something.
Analgesic. A-N-A-L-G.
Anal.
Yeah.
I don't feel comfortable with that in my job thing.
Analgesic is a pain reliever.
But
It has nothing to do with body parts.
Are you sure?
Nothing.
Oh,
Sure
wow.
sounds like it.
Not even a little bit.
finding the velocity of when it gets hit up.
That's what I'm looking for, laddie.
They're not
Detecting
explaining
flight,
it
launch
to
speed,
me.
and projectile.
See right here, they put the velocity y equals v, said 53 angle
Well,
equals
I'm not really
10. So you're saying that we actually have to find this velocity.
Yeah, I'm crying.
Are you seriously crying?
No, but I want to.
This is the most stressful day of school I've ever had.
weird.
Hey, Laddie, he's upside down.
It's the most
Because
stressful
right now,
Laddie,
I had those yet, so.
Laddie.
This is how Hannah feels.
Oh, that's perfect.
Hannah put that down as bad.
No, she's so upset with this person.
Why?
Who? She's upset with like everyone because nothing's good enough to her expectations. Stupid.
Hey,
That's what my
not
friend
stupid, be better.
No, it is stupid because like she doesn't believe in giving people hundreds.
Just add something more.
This is giving me
Who?
zero
This is
for
Purvis.
44 then,
Like she gave me a 48 out of 50
for 2
because
hours
she doesn't think
package,
that anyone
they
deserves
bring
100.
it, oh my God.
I'm like, that's just BS.
Oh, I know.
Okay,
And mine was
$45
perfect.
for a 2 hour
She
package.
literally even like that moral perfection thing. She's like, Bree had a good run. I'm like, okay, then why'd you give me a 50 or 47 out of 50? Why not just give me 100? I would have a good grade in your class, but nobody can do that type of crap.
Alright, so I just told you what search terms I used, right?
Nope.
And I came up with 2
Nikki.
different problems
Thank you.
solved
Right?
for the same darn thing.
I like this one better.
Did you email me?
Good though.
No, I added them to Edmodo so everybody can see them.
No, you should have emailed me.
It's like milking a cow.
So underneath your assignment in Edmodo, there are now
Milking a
4
cow.
links. 2 of them just got put there.
No, leave me alone.
And I'm thinking on Tuesday, we should play a video game.
Yes.
Like what? Like
That's
Xbox?
not what you really need.
We don't need to go
Like
to this
PS3, Xbox?
Why did you say it's all?
What's a, what
Can I
video
do like
game
a
you
fun
talking
game
about?
though? Like a game that will actually enjoy?
You mean like one that makes you shoot a cannon over there?
No,
Yeah.
like Black
I'll
Ops.
come this is
And
Yeah.
then figure it out?
Yeah.
Well, you can do that with Black Ops, you know.
We can do
Because
that
that's
with
exactly
batting.
like this problem.
Yeah, we can play Black Ops.
We're gonna play a cannon shooting game.
Yeah, just like bad eggs. Oh, I love it. I love the idea of this.
Hey, Laura.
One of my
What?
coworkers found a
What?
gorilla one. The gorilla was throwing bombs off a building or
Yeah,
something
I'm
like
not
that.
that dumb.
You don't remember what it
It's
was.
got like a bow for a hair.
You're gonna pop that and throw it in the trash, right?
Nope.
Maybe not that. Maybe not.
Tape it to his desk.
I have a question. What do you put in for that latest meeting?
Oh, don't let's go for that.
I'm not completely sure.
Theta? Theta?
We should wait till we go
Theta.
to school to say.
What is it? Theta?
What'd you say?
I said theta. I know what you said.
Look, see, now she's got it. At first you know how shit.
And when it goes to physics forums, the link starts with
She's got pictures.
physicsforums.com. I think
You just
will
don't like us.
help you later.
No, you're not helping me.
Nikki. She said.
If not, the stack exchange one goes through the whole
Looks like
thing.
Miley Cyrus.
It does. Picture it in my story. New Miley Cyrus.
Yeah, I went to this website and they just gave you me a formula and an answer. But I don't know what from that. So I couldn't do it.
Alright, well, I
That's right.
did a lot.
And the one that starts with stack exchange
Being.
has a whole big long,
I should just leave right now. There's no point for me
it's
to
got
stay
lots.
here.
It's got like 7 screens worth of stuff.
Alright.
Did a lot. I just had to not one.
For acceleration, you want us to find the
I'll make it smarter, but still.
horizontal or vertical
I know it.
acceleration?
Like, I seriously know it.
I horizontal acceleration is gonna be zero,
Three
because we're
months.
assuming that
Okay,
there's no air
so
resistance.
we gotta figure out vertical, which is.
No, I would have,
Okay.
Yep.
Well, we get some days off.
Yeah, write that down.
what's today? February 19th?
Horizontal 0. and
We have like
vertical
3
static
months left.
9.8.
Shoot, we fucking did. I didn't, sorry.
Why
Why
didn't
didn't you a video?
It's like
Why
75
didn't I see video?
I don't know.
for what?
like came in late because the
Last night.
One, two,
Nobody videoed the game.
Yeah,
Nicole is gonna freak out.
seven.
Dude, why?
I'm glad I wasn't there because I'm not gonna get chewed out for it. Technically, your job is to
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
That's hilarious.
16,
no one else knows how to run
17,
shoot.
18,
Hannah and Nikki are going somewhere today,
Yeah, Nikki and
And Laura.
and Aurora,
Where you going?
where you going?
And I mean, you have
Going to Mitchell.
Why?
Yeah, 0
Oh,
gravity.
this dress thing, we're going from them.
Because I'm broke and I need a free dress.
Why does it matter with
Free dress?
Yes.
You go wrestling?
We're done.
I saw that in my email a week ago. Progress exchange thingy for somebody's senior project in college.
Class.
They haven't seen a project. Oh, that'd be horrible.
52 more days going.
I think they have a project class.
Oh, I get it.
Class lookers.
Richie Snyder.
You know,
This is not helping me.
That looks so cool.
We're
I
trying to
wanna
find
do that.
final velocity. You're
I
not
want
telling me
to.
how
I'm
find
doing
it.
that. I am doing it. It looks cool. I'm doing it.
So that makes it say you don't need final velocity.
well, your final velocity is pretty much gonna be the same as your initial velocity.
So 0.
No,
Hold on, I have to roll this back up.
it didn't go anywhere if its velocity is 0. As soon as that rubber band left your hand, it had a speed. It pretty much had the same speed. as
You
the
need
initial
a
velocity.
Do you want the horizontal or vertical? Do you want horizontal or vertical?
Horizontal.
Horizontal. What's U then? It's U cosine A. And what's that?
Remember when we would do this in PE? Yeah. Balls.
Hey, Mr. Schneider.
I know that.
Mr. Schneider, put it on.
This is all
I'll
wrong.
put it on the desk. They don't.
I don't know what U is. U is.
We're leaving.
We're gonna go put these back. Okay?
Okay.
I thought you were grabbing for that one. I wanted to, but I didn't think you were gonna give it to me.
We don't know.
But you can figure out U from your video.
How do you figure out U?
How far did it go? From one frame to the next. How long is one frame to the next? What's the time frame? If you know the distance that it traveled and how long it took to go there, you know its speed.
You already got it, speed.
I got speed.
That's
I
velocity.
did all the,
Oh my.
That's you.
if we did our thing, we got
I
it.
quit.
It says so right there in the first two sentences.
I quit.
For one.
Hate it.
Yeah, I don't have to put
Okay, lad. She could have said it before.
You're sitting right there.
It doesn't make
I
sense.
didn't say anything, it isn't right
It doesn't
there.
make sense to me.
Screw it, it's pretty easy, all you have to do is under your desk and then
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
palm off the desk.
What, when
Might
the
as well just
bacterial?
do it.
See? Consider a projectile. Up here. Launch from 0 with the initial velocity of magnitude u.
Yeah.
Its velocity is u.
Yeah.
This velocity is whatever the heck she just said, 1.17 meters per second.
My final?
Oh, my goodness.
That's its initial velocity.
You did.
Also its final.
I know that, because it's your.
No, the initial 0.
No. It's not going anywhere if the initial is 0.
So it's 0.89.
Exactly. It's
Unless you're
initially
calculating acceleration.
not
So is that our
going
answer
anywhere.
Unless you're calculating acceleration, then you need a VI and a VI. Yes, and then it's 0 and then whatever the heck the speed is. But if you know it took this many seconds to go this many
So
meters,
it's that.
you know meters per second. Okay. What'd you do?
What is That's what I got.
I didn't know
There you
you
go.
wanted to help people.
Write your formula down.
I don't know what this is.
Write your blank formula down.
Unless I don't take
Initial
that.
velocity equals
Speed.
u
No, I'm
times
pretty sure
a.
we have to set up
Times
the top.
cosine,
What is it?
Initial velocity.
your initial velocity.
I.
No, literally,
VI
we barely
equals
have any, we're supposed to, we
mu
did have one.
cosine
But
A.
that was about our parents.
Okay, what?
Oh,
Yeah, I don't know about
VI
you got him that in, don't we?
Yeah, you can't read school without that. You get handed in.
equals
Yeah, I don't know where mine's at.
Well, forging signatures. Cause I was on
cosine
that.
A.
That's what Hannah did.
I can't forward my, like, I can't with my mom's. My dad's a.
Yeah, when are we gonna get
Is
the
the angle
prom
that you
shirts
launched
figured
at.
out?
The u
I don't
is the
think, I
speed
don't know.
that you launched at.
Hey, come here.
With that,
Hey,
We have like no time left.
I know.
and A equals
hey, Bree, come here.
We need to like get to it.
there.
And you have a 40-degree angle, and you have a 1.17 meters per
Aurora.
second speed, and now you can calculate
You know on the side by the
your initial velocity. And that's the horizontal part of your initial velocity, so it's not gonna be all, it's gonna be lower than 1.17. And some of that initial velocity was
Yeah, we
5,
figured out what it
and some
started
of it was
with.
this one.
Cause then it goes up to
Yeah.
9.8, then press.
Have Cassie do it. No, have Cassie do
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
See, I didn't know how to start.
I don't know what
You started with.
And it was all right there.
No, it's not.
That's
My verbal understanding
Oh,
was
yeah.
bad.
the thing though. You need to get better at that.
Charlie, it's probably over beyond.
Because even if you're gonna be a farmer, you have to read
You
the
have to
crap
know
about
the
how to
whole
mix
thing.
the spray and how much spray to put
I
on.
do, but I don't know.
I can't though, I just mix things together until it works.
Probably like way off.
Yeah, you do.
Important, lad.
Because after she posted it,
What's in your video? When you record
Hello? But the struggle is real.
It is.